Okay, so Bitcoin telah bagi kita pagi yang hebat. This morning, Bitcoin started to dump and kita dah dump sebanyak 7% ya dalam sehari, dalam masa beberapa jam sahaja. Tetapi kalau kita tengok Fear and Greed Index, we are only at neutral. Right, the last time kita hampir sampai fear was January 10th, right here. So January 10th, ini masa kita hampir sampai ke zone fear lah. But right now, if you guys watch the previous YouTube video, we were already talking about this pullback. Okay, dan saya akan tunjuk anda level yang saya akan monitor untuk cari long untuk Bitcoin dan untuk Solana. So the plan still remains the same. Okay, so let's take a look. Fear and Greed Index right now masih dalam keadaan neutral. So nothing really to be worried about, especially since if we look at the technicals, we were expecting this pullback. Minggu lepas kita dah discuss pasal pullback ni. I'll show you the exact levels we're monitoring. Alt season index, we are starting to move into Bitcoin season. So that means Bitcoin is really taking over. Dan kalau kita tengok Bitcoin dominance pun, dia baru saja spike ke atas. So we're currently above the mid range. Not ideal, saya tak suka tengok macam ni, but this would be the key structure to the upside. Kalau dia break ni, then it's very clear that we may be moving up even higher, which is not very ideal. So this bull run agak pelik sikit. It's not like the previous bull run when things just pump. Right now we're having like pumps and then like super long consolidations and fear and uncertainty, and then suddenly we'll get a pump out of nowhere. Tapi pump pun sekejap je and then we're gonna consolidate for a long time again. So right now Bitcoin dominance not ideal, but let's take a look at the actual charts. So untuk Bitcoin, so we were monitoring this range. We were monitoring this range since last week, right? This range. And bila Bitcoin sampai ke sini, we were saying that it's likely that Bitcoin is going to pull back. Dan kalau dia pull back, di mana kita nak cari sebuah long position, tarik Fibonacci, right? Dari sini, tarik Fibonacci dari sini ke sini. Okay. Look at our previous big daily range and we were looking at this level right here. Yeah, the 618 dengan point of control kita lines up very nicely at about 96.8 or 96.9 thousand. Okay, so the range we were looking at was this right here, and we were expecting a deviation out of this range, come back in and continue up. Okay, so ideally apa kita nak tengok sekarang ialah kita nak tengok Bitcoin consolidate dekat atas point of control ini. Okay, dekat atas point of control ni, ideally we want it to be not too long consolidation so that we move up quickly. Kalau dia start bergerak ke bawah point of control ni and candle mula close di bawah, then it's likely that we will continue down to about 90k. Okay. So looking at the liquidation heat map for BTC, this also lines up with the liquidity levels yang kita sedang monitor. So ada 3 liquidity level yang kita sedang monitor. First of all was jap, saya zoom in sikit. So zooming in a little bit, so we're looking at 100k, 95k, and then I think below is like 90k. So right now kita dah sweep 100k. Yeah, we've already swept 100k. So 95k, 95k, that's the next level to keep an eye on. So 95k, not too far from here, okay? 95k, just below this point of control. So there is a possibility, there is a possibility, okay, yang kita akan sweep, just sweep below this point of control, masuk 95k, and then we want to see it. Ideally kita nak tengok ada change of character on the lower time frame di sini. Right, we want to see a fast change of character so that we can continue climbing up quickly. Kita tak nak tengok dia strong momentum and then sambung ke bawah, because that would mean we are rotating all the way back to the bottom of this range, 90,000. So once we start to reach this 618 level, we want to see some strength lah. Kita nak tengok Bitcoin ideally kalau dia sweep ke bawah is okay, but we don't want to see it stay below this point of control for too long, right? We don't want it to be below the point of control for too long. Okay, so that's the key thing to keep in mind. So keep in mind not only the technicals but also the time frame. Berapa lama kita sedang berada di sebuah level. Okay. So Bitcoin, my plan for Bitcoin right now still remains the same from last week. Saya akan tunggu price sampai ke 618 stop. I'll probably put it 90. Yeah, maybe just under here, under the value area low, and of course we'll be targeting new highs. So even to the current high, it's already a 1/2 risk to reward ratio. Of course, if we get higher highs, maybe to 114, 115, we can target a 1/3 trade. Okay, so right now this is my current plan for Bitcoin. Now Ethereum saya masih ada position open, but right now Ethereum has taken quite a big dump. Yeah, quite a big dump. So I'm hoping that we can actually recover. Ethereum again is looking very, very weak. Last week we were actually consolidating on the support level. So saya fikir kita dah dapat kekuatan untuk sambung ke atas, tapi nampaknya macam Ethereum masih tak ada kekuatan lagi. So bila Ethereum buat macam ni, saya akan buka gambar ni dan saya akan tengok gambar ni selama 2 jam setiap hari ya. 2 jam setiap hari saya akan tengok gambar ini supaya saya ingatkan diri saya kenapa saya nak long Ethereum, kenapa saya nak hold PP. So gambar ni memberi saya inspirasi dan kekuatan untuk teruskan. Okay. So Ethereum right now, it looks like we are very, very weak, and it will depend a lot on Bitcoin and when Bitcoin actually finds strength. So let's ignore this level for now. Maybe I'll move this down to here. Right now we can see the support here, dah sentuh. We got this deviation. Yeah, so our candle close here. We want this support to hold. Saya rasa ni dah di bawah golden pocket. Yeah, we are right on the bottom of the golden pocket. So if we do break below here, it's likely we will continue lower. But if we do continue lower, then this position right here, sini, about 2.7k, ialah di mana saya akan cari another long position. So this is based on the previous range. Kita nampak ada point of control value area high di sini. So ini menjadi support kita. Saya akan cari long lebih kurang 2.7 to about 2.6 would be a good place to look for a long position on Ethereum. Kalau trade ini kena stop loss. Okay, so that's for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now Solana, our plan for Solana masih sama. Yeah, we were also looking at this range for Solana, and we were looking for it to create a sweep below into the 618 level, plus kita ada liquidity level which we looked at here. So Solana, okay, Solana, looking at the 2-week chart, so nampak right about here 215 we have 50 juta liquidity level, yeah, 215. So I'm expecting it maybe to even sweep this chunk all the way to 210. That's why my long position will be around here, 215, 210. So all the way down here. Stop loss, I'll have to see my stop loss. Maybe I'll put it at 786, maybe lower. Yeah, I'll have to see how the price actually reacts. Most likely saya akan letak dekat bawah lah, bagi dia space sikit, because I still think that kalau kita sampai pun ke 215, we may not directly reverse. So mungkin kita sampai 215 and then we consolidate a little bit like this. So I would like to give it a bit more space to consolidate. Sebab saya rasa 215 to 210 is a good level to look for a long position. So my plan for Solana still remains the same. I'm going to wait for it to come down a little bit lower. So itu saja tiga main coin. Also, somebody shared something quite interesting in our chat. Yeah. So look at this. Kenapa alt season rasa sangat lambat sekarang ya? Sebab kalau you tengok di 2013 hingga 2014 hanya ada 500 crypto token. 2017 to 2018 we had 3,000 tokens. 2021 to 2021 we had about 300,000 to 3 million tokens, and today in 2025 we have 36.4 million tokens and expected to reach 100 million. So the market is extremely diluted. Tak cukup duit dalam market untuk pump everything. There's not enough liquidity to make everything go up. Okay, and look at this. Exchanges only listing memes to grab volume and grow their user base. Retail buys these memes, and when they're down 80% in a week, they leave. So when everyone can launch a token with a click of a button, what do you expect? And when big exchanges prioritize listing of these memes rather than good projects, only people who make money is token devs, insiders, exchanges. Only 1% of the buyers actually make money in this. You can see the data on chain to confirm. So basically there are too many meme coins right now. And disebabkan meme coin ialah benda yang menarik minat retail, the exchanges are more focused on listing meme coins rather than good crypto projects, right? So there is a bit of a positive and negative. Positive is more people get into crypto, tapi negatif ialah mereka tak stay lama. Mereka akan beli sekejap, bila meme coin tu dump, they will leave the market, right? So right now I agree that there is not enough liquidity in the market to pump everything. That's why when people say bila ada orang tanya crypto ini boleh tak sampai previous all time high, crypto ini boleh tak sampai the answer is we really don't know, and it's very very unlikely that your crypto boleh sampai previous all time high disebabkan banyak factor. Mungkin ada token unlock, mungkin dia telah mint benda baru, and of course there's not enough liquidity to pump everything back to the all-time high. So you have to take into consideration all of these factors before you consider something can go back to its previous all-time high. Okay, so just something I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, that's my plan for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana right now. Right now we are looking at the 4-hour time frame. I would like to see a range be created on a smaller time frame. So mungkin bila kita nampak ada range kecil di 15 minute, 5 minute, that will be a better place to look for a sharper entry. Yeah, so for now saya masih relax, saya masih menunggu. Just wait it out ya, sebab kita akan dapat harga yang lebih baik untuk entry. So itu saja saya nak share di video kali ini. Make sure you guys like the video, comment, dan jangan lupa subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. One more thing I really forgot to mention, kalau you guys mencari platform untuk trade crypto dan buy crypto, Pionex is the platform that I am using, dan dia ada sangat banyak feature from bot trading to futures trading. They are improving very very fast. So kalau you guys nak buka account Pionex, boleh tekan link di bawah. See you guys in the next video.